Hello viewers, hope you are doing well. Today's concept is about direct and indirect speech, reported speech. From direct speech to indirect speech using fact statements which are universal fact, historical fact, mathematical fact, habitual fact, etc. How to change from direct to indirect speech when we use fact sentences, fact statements. In this video, I will be explaining it very clearly. Watch till the end of the video. So this is Umarana Mahapatra. Welcome you back to my channel to get the concept clear. If you find this video informative and helpful and want to see more videos like this one, subscribe to my channel and press the notification icon so that you never miss an upload. You have known when you change from direct to indirect speech, at first we see the repeating verb. If the repeating verb is in past form, the tense of repeated speech will be changed into its corresponding past. But here, if the repeated speech is one fact thing, the tense will not be changed. Okay, so how to change from direct speech to indirect speech if the repeated speech is a fact thing? Okay, let's get started. He said, the sun sets in the west. Here, the sun sets in the west. It is one fact. What kind of fact? It is universal fact, right? So, the tense will not be changed. Tense simple present it is, and the repeating verb is in past form. When you change from direct to indirect speech, the tense of repeated speech will not be changed. Why? Because it is one fact, universal fact. So, what will be? He said that the sun sets in the west. What is written in repeated speech? The same thing will be written. He said the man is mortal. The man is mortal. Fact. What kind of fact? Universal fact. Okay. So, he said that the man is mortal. The teacher said India became republic on 26 January 1950. It is also fact. India became republic on 26 January 1950. Fact. What kind of fact? Historical fact. So, the teacher said that, conjunction that, the teacher said that India became republic on 26 January 1950. She said honesty is the best policy. Okay, here what kind of fact it is? It is the expression of morality. She said honesty is the best policy. Same thing will be written. She said that honesty is the best policy. It is what? Expression of morality. Tense will not be changed. He said 2 and 2 is 4. It's fact. 2 and 2 is 4. So, tense will not be changed. He said that 2 and 2 is 4. He said Kashmir is in the north of India. Here, Kashmir is in the north of India. What is it? It is one statement that is fact. What kind of fact? Unchanged fact. So, he said that Kashmir is in the north of India. The tense will not be changed. He said to me, I go for a walk daily. Said to will be told. Okay. When you are changing from direct to indirect speech one statement, that said to will be what? Told. He told me that I is first person pronoun will be changed as per speaker. Speaker he. So it will be he. He goes for a walk daily. Tense will not be changed. But here it was what? Go. It became goes. Why? Because I first person pronoun takes go. Third person pronoun takes what? Goes. Both simple present. Sheila said to me, I get up early in the morning daily. The same thing. The previous sentence, I go for a walk daily, that is habitually fact. Here, I get up early in the morning daily. Habitually fact. Tense will not be changed. But pronouns pronouns will be changed. Sheila told me, said to will be told. Sheila told me that I, first person pronoun will be changed as per speaker. Already I have told, while you changing from direct to indirect speech, in reported speech, the pronouns in the reported speech will be changed. How to change? Already I have told in my previous videos. Again I am repeating. First person pronouns will be changed as per speaker. Second person pronouns will be changed as per object. Third person pronouns will not be changed. Right? So it is first, as it is first person pronoun will be changed as per subject. Right? Speaker. She, I will be she, as Sheila is a speaker here. She gets up early in the morning daily. I get, she gets. Tense will not be changed. Simple present, simple present. The saint said, man proposes, God disposes. Right? The saint said that man proposes, God disposes. This is one proverb. Proverbs, the tense of proverbs will not be changed. Radha said to him, I go to office at 10 o'clock. What is it? What kind of a fact? Habitual fact. Radha told him that. Said to will be told. Radha told him that I, first person pronoun will be changed as per speaker. Radha pronoun will be used here. She. She goes to office at 10 o'clock. The same thing will be written. The teacher said something is better than nothing. Something is better than nothing is one proverb. So tense will not be changed. The teacher said that something is better than nothing. Tense will not be changed. Right? The same thing will be written. My father said a stitch in time saves 9. A stitch in time saves 9, one proverb. So that my father said that a stitch in time saves 9. He said water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. It is one fact and it is scientifically fact. So he said that water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. What you get from the concept? Which are fact, which the statements, fact statements will not be changed in indirect speech. Will not be changed means the tense will not be changed, but pronouns will be changed, right? In indirect speech. You watch, I request you to watch all my videos on direct and indirect speech so that you can eradicate your problem. I'm sure it. Okay? And I hope you got the concept clear. If you have any doubt, you can ask question in the comment section. Thank you. Stay safe. See you in the next one.